If you're looking for the best deep learning courses on Coursera, you're in the right place. Deep learning powers today's most advanced AI systems, from ChatGPT and image generation to self-driving cars and computer vision. Choosing the right course can help you build the skills employers are looking for. Before we get started, if you decide to enroll, there's a link in the description that gives you the current discount on Coursera Plus. Let's count down the top 3 deep learning courses on Coursera based on ratings, learner reviews, popularity, certification value, and the credibility of the organizations behind them. At number 3 is Deep Learning with Python by Illinois Tech. This beginner-friendly course introduces the fundamentals of deep learning, neural networks, TensorFlow, and practical AI applications. It's a great choice if you're looking for an accessible introduction before tackling more advanced programs. At number 2 is the IBM AI Engineering Professional Certificate. This comprehensive program teaches deep learning alongside machine learning, computer vision, and neural networks using TensorFlow, Keras, and Python. You'll complete hands-on projects while earning an employer-recognized professional certificate from IBM, making it an excellent choice for career-focused learners. Taking the number 1 spot is the Deep Learning Specialization by DeepLearning.AI, created by Andrew Ng. With nearly 1 million learners enrolled and well over 140,000 reviews, it's one of the highest-rated AI specializations on Coursera. You'll master neural networks, convolutional neural networks, sequence models, transformers, natural language processing, TensorFlow, and Hugging Face through 5 in-depth courses packed with practical assignments. It's widely considered the gold standard for learning deep learning online. If you're planning to complete more than one of these programs, purchasing them individually can become expensive. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the smarter choice. Right now, you can save 40% on the annual Coursera Plus subscription, reducing the price from $399 to just $239 per year. That's less than $20 a month for access to more than 10,000 courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects. If you're serious about mastering deep learning in 2026, Coursera Plus gives you the flexibility to complete multiple world-class programs while saving money. If you found this guide helpful, check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends.